Good morning, students. Let's just see the information and then continue with the lecture. Class 8, subject English, and we are studying essentials of English grammar. I hope you all must have got that what we are going to study. This is chapter number 15, sentences, simple, compound, and complex. See, children, it's a very simple chapter and very small chapter, though we just need to be prepared enough. Sorry. Simple sentence. Let's just see what does it mean by a sentence which has only one finite verb in it or is made up of only one clause is called a simple sentence. So now see, children, the sentence we are talking, which is simple, it has got only one finite verb. Finite means what? Finite means when, just hold students. Sorry, students. See now, next one. So I was just telling you people that finite verb is that which is just operated or dealt by the subject, which functions according to the subject, right? That's called finite verb. See the example we have there says, a good man is always keen to serve others. कि भी एक अच्छा इंसान वो होता है जो कि इंटरेस्टेड होता है दूसरों को सर्व करने में, सेवा करने में. So here is the finite verb which is just dealt with the subject. See, students, a wicked person never gets peace of mind. So what we get here that a wicked person never gets. Gets is the finite verb. So what you get here that this gets is the finite verb. So what we understood, students, we have two finite verbs in the sentences, right? So when you get one finite verb in a single sentence or a clause, that becomes a simple sentence. Now let's talk about compound sentence. This is called coordinate clause also. Look at this sentence. She entered the room and switched on the light. This sentence is made up of two clauses. She entered the room. The next one is she switched on the light. Both the clauses can stand on their own. So both of them are main or principal clauses. Such clauses are called coordinate clauses. The sentence given above is a compound sentence. Just take a reading of these things, students, and just see what do we get here. This is a coordinate clause, though we can have, it is dealing with like both the clauses can stand on their own. So both of them are main or principal clauses, right? Means both the clauses can give their own meanings and definitions properly that we can take. The sentence given above is compound sentence. The other one is that the other one is a compound sentence. Now, a sentence made up of two or more principal for many clauses is called a compound sentence. Now you see, students, the clause of a compound sentence are called coordinate clause. Now you go to the next complex sentence. This is called subordinate clauses. A sentence made up of a principal or main clause and one or more subordinate clauses is called a complex sentence. For example, although Van Gogh's paintings were beautiful, nobody purchased them. You see, we got here two clauses. One is principal clause and second one is subordinate clause. Hold students for a minute. When you talk about the subordinate clause and you get the principal clause in the sentence, that complete sentence is called complex sentence. See, the next one is the member of his family asked him why he should paint at all. So, why he should paint at all is the noun clause. The member of his family asked him is the principal clause. So, again, it is complex sentence. One is principal clause, second one is subordinate clause. When Ghosh said that painting gave him pleasure, which sustained him. Now you see when Ghosh said as the principal clause, students just have a wait of 1 minute. So see children, so we get principal clause or the others noun or adjective clause which are the subordinate clauses. So let's see the next one. Simple sentence, one clause or one finite verb. Compound sentence, two or more clauses or equal rank. It can have two or more clauses of equal rank, two or more coordinate clauses. Means more than one clause. It is called a coordinate or compound sentence. Or complex, one principal clause and one or two subordinate clause is called complex sentence. So this exercise, I'll just tell you the first sentence, children. Rest, you will do it yourselves and then you'll get the answer key. The first sentence is the ability to smile is a great blessing enjoyed by human beings. So here you need to understand here is only one finite verb in the sentence and that is. See, Enjoyed is also the verb, but this is not the finite verb here. It is the non-finite verb, in which we call infinitive also. Non-finite verb. So we have only one finite verb in this sentence, and that is. Right, everyone? So this is a simple sentence. Rest of the sentences, you need to see which one is simple, which one is compound, and which one is complex. Right, everyone? Just hold, students. There was a bit technical problem, students. Just be conscious. Let's go to the next sentence. Whenever you smile, you create a cheerful atmosphere around you. So this is what you need to see how many finite verbs are there. Here is a smile. Smile is a finite verb. And then again create. Create is also a finite verb. So this smile is done by you and this create is also done by you. These have got different subjects. So see, when we have more than one finite verb, that sentence becomes compound sentence. When it has the two, whenever you smile, it stands on its own. And the next one is you create a cheerful atmosphere around you is yourself. Means stand on by on. So see children, this is a compound sentence, right? So next one, you'll all do it yourselves and then you'll get the answer key later. Let's go to the read the passage given below and point out which of the sentences in it are simple, compound, or complex. I'll do only first sentence for you. The rest of the sentences you'll do it yourselves. Some people have every reason to be happy, but they are miserable. So see children, we have here two finite verbs. First one is have. Some people have. According to people, it is have. Otherwise, it can there can be has also. Some people have every reason to be happy, but they are miserable. So they are miserable again is the second one, right? So this one becomes the compound sentence. One is written there. This is first sentence by here. The next one you all do it yourselves. See, go to the exercise third and add coordinate clauses to complete these sentences for oral practice. Just hold students. See, students, let's just see. Exercise third, add coordinate clauses to complete these sentences. Sohani finished reading the book. This is the first clause, student. You need to add another one, and it can be of your choice, but it should give a bit better sense connecting to the first one sentence, right? Coordinate clause we are making, right? So Sohani finished reading the book when I reached to meet her. Like this, you can make any coordinate sentence. So Hani finished reading the book while her brother was Still reading, right? Like this, you can make the coordinate clause to complete the sentence. Next exercise, complete the sentences in exercise 3 by adding subordinate clause for oral practice. It's okay. So this is the end of the lecture, students. That's enough for today's lecture. If any one of you wants to ask any question, raise your hand.